Good day. Today is March 16. My fellow Chestermerians, Max Mayfield, the director of the National Hurricane Center, once said, "Preparation through education is less costly than learning through tragedy." In Chestermere, it is our continued education and communication with residents and businesses that is providing to be successful in our prevention and protection efforts. As of 1:15 today, Chestermere's Emergency Command Center is operational to coordinate our local response to this pandemic situation. Before Mr. Morton, our Director of Emergency Management, comes to tell you more about that, I want to reiterate some of the major announcements that we have heard in the last 24 hours. The Prime Minister announced that the border is closed to all non-citizens except for permanent residents, their immediate families, diplomats, and U.S. citizens. Yesterday, the province announced that all schools, daycares, and post-secondary institutions are closed. The City of Calgary declared a local state of emergency and all Calgary municipal facilities are closed. We continue to monitor declaring a local state of emergency here in Chestermere. Yesterday, the Chestermere Recreation Center and Chestermere Public Library announced that they are now closed, and we want to thank them for that wise decision. City Hall and other municipal buildings are closed to the public, but we continue to offer municipal services online at www.chestermere.ca and via the phone. We have strongly advised businesses to protect themselves, their staff, and their patrons by taking aggressive sanitation measures, as well as pre-screening patrons and customers where at all possible. Also, anyone sick, or if anyone in your household is sick, stay home. We very much appreciate those who have followed these strong recommendations. And now, to talk about today's opening of the ECC, over to our Director of Emergency Management, Bernie Morton. Mr. Morton.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. We have fully activated our Emergency Command Center and continue to focus on preventing the spread of COVID-19 and protecting the people of Chestermere. We're on top of this situation and we are working hard to coordinate our local response. We have asked for regular updates from Alberta Health Services, and we are in regular communications with the province's Emergency Operations Center. We ask residents to help us by doing these three critical things. First, if you are sick, please stay home. If someone in your household is sick, please stay home. Any contact with others should be at a distance. This is vitally important and cannot be stressed enough. Second, avoid close contact with people and practice strong social distancing protocols. Stay 1 to 2 meters away from anyone you are speaking to and avoid going to public places when at all possible. Do not go to places with a vulnerable population present. Do not handshake or fist pump. 3. Be aggressive with your hygiene routine, washing your hands regularly with soap and water for a minimum of 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer, cover your hands completely and thoroughly and rub until dry. Cough and sneeze into your sleeve, please. Wipe surfaces, including your phones and steering wheels, regularly. Together, we can slow the spread of this virus and keep our community safe. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Bernie. We will continue to keep you informed of all major decisions and announcements. We appreciate your efforts in keeping our community safe. Other updates can be found on our website, chestermere.ca, and I will continue these video updates regularly. Thank you.